Hi, my name is Daniel, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Clear Nails Max before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Clear Nails Max supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Clear Nails Max, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. Clear Nails Max employs an effective approach to eliminate fungal infections within a mere 14 days. It accomplishes this by harnessing the power of a carefully selected blend of potent ingredients, with a particular focus on probiotics that aid in the restoration of strong, vibrant, and healthy nails right from the comfort of your home. The product draws inspiration from the healing secrets of the tribes of Papua Islands, who have traditionally used natural remedies to combat fungal infections. Clear Nails Max adapts these time-tested methods to eradicate painful nail and skin infections without causing any adverse side effects. What makes Clear Nails Max truly stand out is its comprehensive approach. It targets the complete root causes of fungus, both internally and externally, ensuring effective results. Whether the fungus resides on your skin or beneath your nails, Clear Nails Max is designed to address it efficiently. Thousands of people have already had incredible results with Clear Nails Max. I invite you to see some real testimonials on the official product page. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive procedures and products that do not give any results. Make a test with Clear Nails Max and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 180 days to use Clear Nails Max 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.